So guys, today we are going to watch this video where I'll tell you how to use TubeBuddy for free. Don't go on my informal look and my posture because I'm lying on bed and making this video because I'm not well. So this is my YouTube screen. So TubeBuddy, you will find it here. Now once you find TubeBuddy, and it is a free membership, I have not gone for upgradation. I have upgraded version, but this is a test account for making this video. Now I'll click on launch keyword explorer now. Now I'll start typing here a keyword related to my topic. Say suppose for example I want to make for keto diets. So start writing here. Okay, keto diet for beginners. That looks great. Internet is a bit slow. So it gives a score of 62. I'll go for anything which is above 62, above 60. And as long as it remains in this green area, it is good. So what I'll do is I'll copy this and note it in a notepad. Now let us try something again. Keto recipes. I didn't like it. It's a bit if your channel is new, you'll not be able to compete for this keyword because there'll be many superstars who will be using this keyword, so I'll ignore it. Let us say keto recipes easy. Let us see this. Look at this. This is a gold mine, guys. Excellent. It gives you excellent because there is no competition and very good search results. Note down this one also. Okay, like that you try to find 5 or 6 good keywords. Now we will come out of TubeBuddy and go to our very own Google AdWords. Now here you come in tools and settings, and in the left hand side you can see this planning. So we'll do it on, click on keyword planner and we'll say discover new keywords. Now we'll go to our notepad. We had copied these two, copy and paste here. So these two keywords are we have given so that we could plan our keywords for your channel, and click on get results. Now guys, see, keyword planner has given us heaps of additional keywords. Now what I'll be looking here is See, something like this, 100 to 1K monthly searches, low carb dinner ideas, literally very low competition. And now keto breakfast ideas, searches are same, volume of search is same, but the competition is high. So what we'll do is we'll copy this and add it to our list. Going further, see this, low carb lunch ideas, literally no competition. I'll stop it here, but you got the idea, right? Go for high search monthly searches and low competition. Now once you have got 20 such keywords, you start making videos on each one of them separately and start uploading on your YouTube channel. This will help you good audience for your channel, and this will help you to take your channel to the next level. Once you start getting some money from your channel, that time you can start investing in TubeBuddies, because TubeBuddies paid membership has got many more advantages, and that will help you kickstart your channel, YouTube channel, very fast. And there will be a time when you'll start competing with professionals. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to give your comments in the comment section. I'll be coming out with many more videos for your YouTube channels. I hope it will help you. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.